How to make people respect you. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have that special something that makes others always respect them? Being respected by others is a valuable asset, one that can help you in all areas of your life. True respect means that people care about what you have to say and that they think your opinion matters. They are willing to listen when you speak up and take your thoughts into consideration. It's not always an easy thing to achieve, but it's definitely worth striving for. In this video, we are going to show you how to make people always respect you. Learn these 12 traits, and they are going to make a big difference in many areas of your life. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, "I subscribed," and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Show people that you respect yourself. One of the best ways to get people to respect you is by showing them that you respect yourself first and foremost. People will be more likely to take you seriously if they see that you have a high opinion of yourself and your abilities. Walk tall, hold your head up high, and act like you know what you're doing, even if you don't. Respecting yourself also means being honest with yourself. If you make a mistake, own up to it and learn from it. Don't try to hide your flaws. Everyone has them. Being able to admit your mistakes and learn from them is a sign of maturity and strength, and it will earn you the respect of others. Number 2. Show them that you are confident. People are more likely to respect you if they see that you are confident in yourself. This means not being afraid of what others think and not feeling the need to pretend to be something or someone that you are not. Of course, it is important to remember your manners and show kindness towards others. Just don't be afraid to be yourself. You don't want to come across as fake or insecure, and that may happen if you try too hard to impress people. Act confident even if you feel insecure inside. It may take some practice, but eventually it will become second nature to you. Number 3. Be humble. Self-confidence is a great quality to have, but too much of it can lead to a bad case of arrogance. Arrogant people are not respected by others because they think so highly of themselves that they actually look down on everyone else. On the other hand, having healthy self-esteem also means being willing to give credit where credit is due. Be humble and be willing to admit that you're not always right. Acknowledge the accomplishments of others and don't take all the credit for yourself. Being humble is a sign of strength, and it will win you the respect of others. Number 4. Be trustworthy and always keep your promises. People respect others who they can trust. Be someone that others can count on, and always keep your promises. If you say you're going to do something, do it. If you can't do it, be upfront and honest about it. Don't make promises that you can't keep, and don't try to weasel your way out of it. Don't try to manipulate others, and don't be a liar. If you are not someone that people can trust with the little things, you probably won't be able to earn their respect in other areas either. Number 5. Listen more than you speak. One of the best ways to show respect to others is by listening to them. People love to feel heard, and they appreciate it when you take the time to listen to what they have to say. Not only does this make the other person feel important, but it also allows you to learn more about them and build a better relationship with them. Besides, you have a lot to learn from listening to what other people have to say. Listening is a mature and respectful way of interacting with others, and it will earn you their respect. Respect in return. Number 6. Accept other people's opinions and respect their views. Respect the opinions of others and accept their views, even if they are different from your own. Not only is this a sign of maturity, but it also makes people feel that you value them as human beings. When you do this, you will make other people feel validated and respected, and that's a pretty powerful thing to do. It may be a little difficult to do, especially if you disagree with what they are saying. But at the same time, it is important not to be so quick to accept other people's opinions without considering your own. This can create problems later on if their opinions conflict with your actions or beliefs. Remember that everyone has the right to an opinion. Number 7. Set clear and enforceable boundaries. If you feel like you are often taken advantage of, or that you are too nice, it may be time to set some boundaries. People will not respect you if they feel like they can walk all over you, and you need to make sure that you are comfortable with the boundaries you set. Make sure your boundaries are clear and be prepared to enforce them. If someone crosses a boundary, let them know in a polite but firm way. If they continue to cross the boundary, you should let them know that they are no longer allowed to do so. People respect people who set boundaries and enforce them because it shows that they are strong enough to care for themselves emotionally. It is important to create boundaries with everyone in your life, not just romantic partners or family members. Number 8. Use confident body language. Your body language can say a lot about how you feel, and it can also be a powerful tool to help you earn the respect of others. Stand tall and walk with purpose. Make eye contact when you talk to someone, and keep your head up. Avoid slouching or crossing your arms across your chest, as both of these body language cues can make you look closed off. This is particularly important in a professional setting, as poor body language can give people the wrong impression about your confidence and work experience. On the other hand, using confident body language will communicate to others that you are confident and knowledgeable, and that's something everyone wants in their coworkers and employees. Number 9. Act like a leader, not a follower. One of the quickest ways to lose the respect of others is to act like a follower instead of a leader. Leaders are respected because they take charge and make things happen. They have a vision and are willing to work hard to achieve it. Followers, on the other hand, are not usually respected because they do not have their own ideas and are not willing to take risks. They simply follow what others tell them to do. If you want people to respect you, act like a leader. Be creative, take charge, and be willing to make decisions. People will admire your confidence and willingness to lead. Number 10. Keep your temper and anger in check. It is important to keep your anger and temper in check. An angry or aggressive tone of voice can be very off-putting and unprofessional. Remember, other people do not have to accept your anger. It is only natural to feel angry sometimes, but other people cannot control those feelings for you. If you cannot control your temper, it will be very difficult for others to respect you. Take some time to cool down if you feel yourself getting angry, and try to communicate in a calm and rational way. This will show people that you are in control of yourself and that you are someone they can work with. When you act like this, you will find that people respect you more than they did before. Respect is something that is earned over time, but it is worth the effort. Number 11. Avoid self-deprecating humor. One of the quickest ways to lose the respect of others is to make fun of yourself. People will see right through your self-deprecating humor, and they will not respect you for it. In fact, they may even find it annoying or juvenile. If you want people to take you seriously, avoid making jokes at your own expense. Once again, this is especially important in a professional setting. No one wants to be around someone who is constantly making fun of themselves or acting in an immature way. Would you want to work with someone like that? On the other hand, if you make jokes about yourself in a self-deprecating way, but you are also very confident and comfortable in your own skin, people will be more likely to respect you. Number 12. Don't be overly apologetic. It's important not to apologize too much. You don't want to be seen as weak by saying sorry all of the time. This will only make people have less respect for you. If you do something wrong, instead of apologizing out of habit, think about why you did what you did and learn from your mistake. There is nothing wrong with apologizing if you genuinely feel bad about what you did, but don't overdo it. And definitely don't apologize for who you are. That is a big no. Make sure to learn and apply these 12 traits in your life, and you will be amazed at how much you will be respected by others. If you have made it this far, do you agree with this list? Is there anything you believe we may have missed? Let us know in the comment section below. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.